Hi everybody, this is Desiree. Okay, this is for my sleeping cats. Okay, this is the second one. Now, this cat always like the rubbing on the belly. That means you better look, please, and give me a thumbs up and please say some stuff. Okay? Here's my cat. She's really sleepy. Look. She likes to rub. You see. And she really likes it. She's really tired from working and running. She likes her little chinny chin rub her tummy. And here is her face. Show your face. Show your face, mamas. 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 This is her. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up. And yeah. Okay. Now we are going to do something really amazing. Okay. Okay, let's look for the cats. It's cat time looking.
Hey, there's a cat.
Okay. Here is one. Elijah, stop it. I'm trying to show you. See? This is one of the babies.
It's one of the big ones.
Here's the baby cat. He's a boy. And he really likes to sleep everywhere. He likes to get petted. He likes to be carried.
No, I don't.
And now he's really sleeping like a little ball. Okay, the girl cat is somewhere. But we will find it on the next video. I hope you guys really like it. That means bye. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up. I know I told you 2 times, but bye.